Little 58mm Swiss Army knives like the Rambler, absolutely fantastic, right? A ton of dead useful tools for urban settings, but how would you like to be able to carry 8 tools within the scales? Well, that is what you get when you buy a set of these scales, and I've just recently got these from seller UL Design Shop on Etsy. I'll put a link to the page for these in the description below. And he's a UK based maker, and I paid 15 quid for these delivered to me here in the UK, and I think they're absolutely fantastic. And let's have a look at the extra utility you get with these scales. First, just wanted to have a quick look at the fit and finish of these. These are 3D printed, made from PLA, and he's done an excellent job of these. The printing is great, the detailing is good. I've found sometimes when you buy 3D printed scales from the likes of Etsy, sometimes they don't have the greatest printer, and you can see really defined kind of layer lines that kind of, for me, spoils the look of it a bit and makes it look a bit cheap and homemade. But these are really nicely done. Nice textured surfaces on these sides and really tiny layer lines. So yeah, excellent. And I bought these in this teal colour with a yellow cross on there. These are my own bits in the end there. I think that looks really cool. I had it outside in the sun earlier and it looks just beautiful. Really nice colour. He also does them in different colours. I think he's currently got black, blue, teal and red on there, if I remember rightly. So what about the features? Well, you can see on there, it's got a measuring scale built in. It's just a few centimetres, but these can come in handy on occasion, I think, for measuring little nuts and bolts, things like that, little fittings. I've occasionally used a measuring scale in the past when I've needed to measure up, buy stuff from the shop just to check measurements and things. I've in the past used these little stickers, and these work absolutely fine. It's great, but this isn't going to be on there forever. It's just a sticker, whereas this is built into the scale, so it will be on there forever. Could be handy. Nice one. And you've got the slots for the standard tweezers and toothpick, and these did come with a standard grey and beige toothpick and tweezers set, and they just both sit in that scale, kind of running parallel with each other there. Great stuff. And you also get a slot here for a little steel pen, which is excellent. These can come in handy. Unclog your car's wash wipers, pop a blister, eject a SIM card, reset small electronics. Excellent to be able to carry one of those in there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 tools on this scale. But wait, there's more. See this little bit here? He's made this really precisely printed little bit holder for the Leatherman micro screwdrivers. So you get a double-ended screwdriver from Leatherman with a tiny slotted screwdriver and a tiny Phillips screwdriver on the other end. These are a slightly flattened hexagon shape, so this has been made to reflect that, and there is a certain way to put it in. Don't just jam it in, you'll bust it. But yeah, it's cut to fit that precisely, and that is excellent. My glasses have got a little flathead screw in there, so I've got that should I need it. Not something I need to do very often, but if I do need to fix my glasses arm, well, I really do need to fix them. I can't see jack without my glasses, so yeah, that is brilliant that I can carry one of these in my little 58mm Swiss Army knife. I wonder how durable that would be if you applied a load of torque. It's made of PLA, so I don't know, it might shatter, but if I was going to do any little screwdriver in, I would hold it there and turn it like that. But yeah, that's ingenious. And it just slides into the scale like that. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, double-ended bit, 5, 6 tools in that scale. How awesome. But it doesn't stop there, because on the other side you've got this pen slider mechanism, so you can carry a little ballpoint pen with you at all times. That can come in useful. It can for me anyway. And the mechanism for this is excellent. If you look at the pen slider mechanism on the official Victorinox pen scales, there's this little peninsula, if you will, there. So you have to push the slider up, slide it back and fold it down, and that is what stops the pen from retracting. And when I first got these on, that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to push this to the side and going, well, there's no room for it to slide. How does that work? But no, what all you do with this is you press it down and it slides back. Press it down, slide it forward. It does stay in place. That's not going to fold in on you. You have to just press down, slide back. Ingenious. And I was so pleased with him being able to do this, because I did buy these other 3D printed scales from Etsy that are really good, but I did ask the chap if he could manufacture these as well, because with these scales you have to source these little grey plastic slider mechanisms separately, and I asked this guy who made these if he could make these, and he said he couldn't because the PLA material wasn't flexible enough to be able to make this insert. It wouldn't work, he couldn't get it to work, so you had to buy these separately. But UL Design Shop has made this work out of the same material. This is just a piece of PLA. It's like a V-shaped thing inside the scale, and I think it's wonderful that he's been able to design that and engineer that so it works. So you don't have to source extra plastic sliders if you buy a set of these scales. That's just fantastic. And the last thing you see there, got a little LED squeeze light on the side there. Inside the scale, you can just see it there because these are ever so slightly translucent, is a CR322 battery, and I'd never come across these batteries before in my life, but they're apparently used for fishing lures and things for night fishing. So we've got one of those in there and some contact wire linked up to this little LED there, and if you press, you've got a little squeeze light. Dead handy. It's not super bright light, you're not going to be doing sentry duty with it or anything, but for finding your keyhole or finding your way to the carsey at night, that's just perfect. You get a wide beam with this LED, and if I had to estimate, and this is just a pure guesstimate, I'd say this is probably about sort of 5 lumens-ish, kind of like a bit brighter than a moonlight mode. You might get on another little pocket flashlight, but that's plenty bright enough. I found it needs quite a press to make the light come on. I found it better to, rather than pressing like that, which hurts your thumb, press with your thumb pad and it's easier. Yeah, great stuff. This CR322 batteries, I've had a little look online about run times and I haven't been able to find much information. I've seen some estimates saying these run for about 12 hours, others saying they run for 50 hours. I can't imagine one of these running for 50 hours, but even if it only lasts 10 hours or 12 hours, it's just a squeeze light, it's just for short bursts, that's going to last you ages. And you can buy replacements on Amazon. I've had a quick look for, you know, 3, 4, 5 quid for a pack of 5. Probably get them cheaper off AliExpress as well. But yeah, that's great. And I've always argued that I've never really been a massive fan of the Midnight Manager. A new concept, having an LED light in your scales. But I wasn't a fan of those because the Midnight Manager, you've got the bulky scale with the LED light in it. You've also on the other side got the bulky scale with a pen in it. You end up with quite a fat little knife. But he's been able to engineer these so that they're really thin and slim while still packing all that utility. I'm getting a normal Rambler at about 10.3 mils thick. This Rambler with those upgraded scales is 10.9 mils thick. I think that's just absolutely fantastic. All that extra utility, and it's almost as thin as a standard Rambler. That was 10.9. An old Victorinox Manager is 11.7, so it's actually thinner, slightly thinner than a standard Victorinox Manager. I just think that is amazing. What do you reckon, chaps? I think these might be the ultimate scales, certainly the best I've come across so far. Absolutely fantastic. The seller on Etsy is a really good guy to work with as well, really excellent communications, and they were a bargain as well. I did have some of those micro screwdrivers kicking about, and I did have some of the spare 58mm pens kicking about, but if you don't have any of those, he'll supply those as well for very reasonable prices. Have a look on his website. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Love them. What do you reckon, guys? Really great, I think.